The DJI Pocket 4 has finally arrived, and it might completely reshape how you think about compact vlogging cameras. After months of speculation, we now have a confirmed launch date set for April 16th, along with an early unboxing that reveals what DJI has been quietly perfecting. Before we go any further, drop a comment and tell me, are you planning to upgrade, or are you still holding on to your current setup? From the outside, it looks very similar to the previous model. But do not let that familiar design mislead you, because the real upgrades are happening beneath the surface. This release feels significant because the Pocket lineup has built a reputation as the go-to solution for creators who want professional-level footage without carrying bulky gear. And this time, DJI is doubling down on that idea. The moment you open the box, you immediately notice the difference. Instead of selling accessories separately, DJI now includes a full creator kit right out of the box. You get an extension handle, a tripod and D filters, and even a mic mount. In the past, these were all extra purchases, but now you can start filming high-quality content instantly without spending more money. It is a smart move that makes the experience smoother, especially for beginners stepping into content creation. This shift clearly shows that DJI is paying attention to what creators actually need. A camera alone is never enough, and by bundling essential tools, they're offering a level of value that competes with much larger and more expensive setups. Inside the device, the upgrades continue. The camera still features the impressive 1-inch sensor that made its predecessor so popular, but performance has been noticeably enhanced. You can now shoot in 4K at 120 frames per second, opening the door to ultra-smooth slow-motion shots that look cinematic and polished. Whether you are capturing fast action or adding dramatic flair to everyday scenes, this is a major step forward. Battery life has also seen a huge improvement, now reaching up to 200 minutes, which means you can shoot longer without constantly worrying about recharging. DJI has also introduced physical zoom controls and a customizable button, making it much easier to adjust settings on the fly. These small hardware refinements may not sound groundbreaking at first, but in real-world use, they make a noticeable difference when timing and speed matter during a shoot. One of the standout additions is the new magnetic attachment system, allowing you to snap on accessories like lights or lenses almost instantly. It adds a level of flexibility that makes the camera feel more like a modular tool rather than a fixed device. On top of that, the inclusion of 100 gigabytes of internal storage is incredibly practical, especially for those moments when you forget your memory card or unexpectedly run out of space mid-shoot. Although the camera is still not waterproof due to its gimbal design, it makes up for it with an impressive 14 stops of dynamic range. This ensures your footage retains detail and depth even in challenging lighting conditions, whether you're shooting under harsh sunlight or in dim environments. Low-light performance has also been refined, making it a reliable option for creators who film both day and night. However, there is an interesting twist that could influence your decision. Rumors are circulating about a potential Pro version, possibly featuring a dual camera system with both wide and zoom lenses. If that turns out to be true, it could push this lineup into an entirely new category. For users who already own the previous generation, the standard upgrade might feel incremental, but a Pro model like that could redefine expectations for compact cameras. From a practical standpoint, this device is an excellent choice for first-time buyers. It is intuitive, powerful, and comes fully equipped to handle most creative scenarios right out of the box. It refines the experience without overcomplicating it, which is exactly what many creators are looking for. For existing users, it might be worth waiting to see how the Pro version develops before making a move. But for anyone else, this stands as one of the most capable and versatile compact cameras available today, offering a complete storytelling tool that fits right in your pocket. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe, share it with someone who needs it, and turn on notifications so you do not miss what comes next. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.